Hey guys, I'm Bill Losey, and if you give me just a couple minutes of your life, I'll give you 20 years of mine. I'm taping this and recording this message to you on Thursday, May 6th. It's about 6 p.m. And in case you haven't been paying attention to the stock market and the news today, we had one of the most unbelievable sessions on Wall Street in the history of the stock market. At one point today, the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by 700 points in the period of just 15 minutes, and then rebounded 600 points in the next 20 minutes. The Dow at one point was down close to 1,000 points. Most of the major indexes, including the Dow, the Nasdaq, and the S&P, were off by 8 to 9% at the low, which was happening around 2:45 to 3 o'clock this afternoon. A lot of computer trading kicked back in, brought the indexes back up, but we still ended the day down a little bit better than 3% across the major indexes. There were a couple reasons for this today. The one big thing, Greece. They're having a ton of money problems over there, and today they passed some austerity budgets, including limiting bonuses. They're going to be cutting pension benefits, and they're also going to be increasing taxes. Protesters actually rioted against the parliament. It's a mess, and there's this talk about contagion and this potentially spreading all throughout Europe, so we've got to keep an eye on that. Then here back in the United States, apparently an institutional trader, when placing a large order today, hit the letter B as in billions instead of M as in millions, which sent the stock market reeling again down to close to 9 to 10% off at one point today before 3 o'clock. I want to remind you to go back in my blog to the prior video issue where I talk about how to protect your IRA and 401k from the next stock market free fall. I said I wasn't sure when it was going to happen. Hopefully today is not the start of it, but we have seen a lot more volatility in the market lately, and you need to be protected. Remember, asset allocation is really important here. You need to know how much you have between stocks and bonds and cash, and in that prior message I talk about having anywhere from 2 to 5 years worth of expected withdrawals or income needs in a safe money source. So especially if you're retired and you know you're going to have to be taking money out, you want to pull from that safe money source so that you do not have to sell from your stock portfolio when it's temporarily down in value. I hope you found this information helpful. Stay tuned to the blog for more information. I'm Bill Losey, and I'll see you soon. Take care.